Hey everyone, my name is Aaron, and in this video I will talk about an AI tool which you can use for creating presentations, and that can help you if you are in your college or in your business. And also, if somebody want a presentation, then you can charge them in hourly basis and earn money. This tool is called Tome. Pretty sure you also might be having presentation in your college where you have to present your presentations in front of everybody. Making this presentation takes a lot of time. That is why you should use this AI tool called Tome to build your presentations. Firstly, you need to tell Tome on which topic you are creating the presentation on, what all contents you need in your presentation, how it should look like, and after that, you will see your presentation getting ready. After some time, you will see the presentation in front of you. Basically, Tom uses two AI tools to create this presentation, which are ChatGPT and DALI 2. I am pretty sure you will be knowing what ChatGPT is. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, then I have made a video on ChatGPT. You can go and check that out. The other AI tool Tome use is DALI 2. It is an AI tool which is used to create AI style art or pictures, and with the help of DALI, Tome attaches the pictures into the slides of your presentation and give you a good presentable presentation. It is a free tool anyone can use. It contains tokens which are limited in number, and these tokens represent how many presentations you can create. For example, if there is 15 tokens, then you can create only 15 presentations. To buy more tokens, you have to pay for it, but if you want to get more token for free, you have to create more email IDs and sign in with them in the Tome website, and you will get more tokens which can help you in creating presentations. That was it for today. Like and subscribe and share it with your friends, and to get more information like this, follow me on my LinkedIn. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.